bwanyuma yo kumarebera umushanju bari kutende ku myoga etari emwe n'emwe omuri Cankwanzi abanyishenjero b'ekibiina kya NRM barugayo kandi batugambira bimwe aha bintu ebibaganiireho. Aha bibaganiireho harimu sente za parish development model ezibahingwize ng'omuntu yihayo sente nazikoresa okumara amezi 28 rero abe nibwo yatandika kushashura kandi amareyo bwanyuma y'amezi 36 kandi aha myoga bahingwize ngo baza kutandika kushashura bwanyuma y'amezi 12 rero bamareyo aha nyuma y'amezi 28 na no kurwana severe no veremese encourage
that recoveries under the Myoga program be due after 12 months. So that gives our people who have benefited from a Myoga some period for them to breathe. From the time you get the loan, from the time you receive this money, you have up to 12 months for you to start paying back. That is under Myoga.
Obusoma kuzi kutugire kutera toki twashanga ubukwasara hansa na higo twashanga ngivi na no omyoga na no parishment modo bakani bihaba ante sente zo kubahandikisa ninga kubatasi omusasa komu twashanga ngu aronezini sente zo bakubashaba kuza kubahindura bamemba twashanga ngu nabari yokoreta sente ezimwe banza bazikereza zibanza zirugamo amagobo.
Aba bongire baganira hakurwana sobura bwenguzi uburyo muri parish development model aho ba parish chief barukushaba sente kurugaha abantu na no kutunga enshutama zitari zimwe na zimwe okutereza ebizube biryo mu kibiina.
The anti-corruption struggle where members committed to relentlessly support the fight against corruption wherever it manifests itself and to maximally support all institutions involved in the fight against corruption.
Supervisor bashamiye kureba ngo baba supervisor programs zezo za government za gendo misho
tuyikirizine ngo habiri harimo bunafu aside yabebembeze kugira ngo ebintu tibituberekira bebembeza abahansi n'abatekonokorasi tutekateka ngo nababasa gukora emirmejo koga kutire mutoki twashanga ngo ebintu hansi bisisikire namboye no gutwara Agacencwire ntwenda kwirukankuza ahansi kuza kutaragemeruka yona kureba PDM nekoreta
amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.